And we've got a list of all the things we're going to need. So right at the top, like we would do for a fact file, we've got the title, we've got pancakes. Then we've got a heading that says you will need. And we've got the ingredients here. So first of all, we're going to need flour and 100 grams of flour. So we're going to need something to measure that with. And we've got that here.
Okay.
Then we're going to need 2 eggs.
Ooh, does it matter what size eggs?
I don't think so.
Nope,
Let's hope not. Next, we need milk.
Okay, I've got milk here.
And we're going to need to measure it with this again, with our little jug. And then we need butter for frying. It keeps it slippery in the pan.
And Miss Ball, you could also use oil. If you don't have butter
Yes.
at home, you can use oil instead.
Absolutely. And we need a pinch of salt to make it a little bit flavoursome.
Right, so we've got some Himalaya
pink
salt, but
salt.
yeah, any salt will do. So let's get started.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are the first things that we need?
Okay, the first thing we need to do is we need to measure the flour.
The flour.
Yes.
And how, so here I've got my flour. And how much flour will we need?
We need 100 grams.
100 grams.
Yes.
Okay, well I have a weighing scale here. And I can see there's all of these tiny little numbers, which means the
Oh, yeah,
grams.
there's lots of numbers.
Yeah, so just remind me the number that we need to look out for.
100 grams.
100.
100.
So I'm going to pour this really carefully.
I'll help you.
And let's look out for 100.
Okay, I can see it. Great. Oh, it's going up. It's going up.
Oh.
I think you're there. I think you're there.
Yeah, we're there. Perfect. Oh, it's a tiny bit over, but that's okay. It's okay. Pancakes. Okay, this is going to be our mixing bowl.
Okay, so
I'm
put
going
it in
to
there.
pour that into there.
Mm-hmm.
Fantastic. What is the next thing that we need?
We need to have 2 eggs.
2 eggs. Okay, I'm going to crack them into this bowl just in case some shells fall in and we can just get them out because
Good
sometimes that happens.
idea. Brilliant.
Okay.
Ooh, well done.
Managed to do that with no
You
shell.
did so well.
Thank you. And another one.
I'll be in charge of looking for shells.
Okay. Whoop. Oh, we did
that was
it.
even better.
Super.
Awesome.
Okay. And what's next?
Okay, the next one is 300 mils of milk.
Okay. Well, we can't measure with this scale because that was grams.
no.
But look, there's a scale on here. So all of these numbers, and that means mils.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yes, I can see the
So
symbol.
remind me of the number we're looking out for.
300. 300.
Okay, well my measuring jug here only goes up to 250.
Okay.
So I'm just going to do some quick maths, some grown-up maths. It's 250.
So one of those full,
Yeah.
and then one more 50.
And then 50 more. Okay,
Perfect.
So I'm going to go all the way up to 250. Tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop.
I'll
me
tell
when to
you.
stop.
Nearly there, stop.
Oh, perfect. And that can go straight in with the flour. And then how many more? So it's 250
Plus 50 more.
plus 50
more.
more.
All right,
Okay,
I'll look
so the
out.
50 is the first line on the
Great.
scale. So
Okay,
tell me
I'll
when to
look-
stop on the
I'll
first
look
line.
carefully.
Ready.
Stop.
Okay, perfect. So we've got 300 mils of milk. Okay, now we need to put our eggs in and then we whisk it all together.
Excellent. Where's the whisk?
Wait, I don't have a whisk, Miss Ball, so we can
What are
just
we
use a
going
fork.
to use?
We can use a
Excellent.
fork.
Yes,
Exactly.
perfect.
So do you want to put the eggs in?
Sure.
You
All
just
right.
put them in
Okay.
and then we'll whisk everything together after that.
All right, here we go.
Easy
Ooh.
peasy. That's
Oh,
okay.
it's splattered a little bit.
Kitchens are meant to be messy, don't worry.
Exactly, we can clean it. There we go, all done.
Okay, and Miss Campbell's forks live in here. Okay,
Ah,
so
great.
I'll do a little bit of whisking and then you can do a little bit of whisking
Okay,
too. Okay?
sure.
So, we go like this. Probably better if you have a bigger bowl, guys, at home. But if you just have a little one, this one will do as well. Oh, I think there was one thing that we forgot.
Oh, yes, you're right. We've got to do one more thing. We need to put
Yeah.
a pinch of salt in.
Fantastic. Would you like to get that ready? And
Sure.
Just do, I think if you just...
Maybe one turn.
Yeah, one
yeah.
turn is probably the same as a
Okay.
pinch. You can do it whilst I'm
All right.
whisking
Yeah.
away.
Oh, I think some may have just gone in.
Okay.
Shall we leave it at
Do you
one?
think it was a pinch?
Could have been.
Okay.
It was a
Leave
shake.
If it was a pinch,
Let's do that.
You
We don't
just
want it
need
to be too salty.
tiny bit of salt.
Yeah, I
Honestly,
think that was
a tiny
enough.
bit.
Yeah.
So if you saw any granules coming out, that was absolutely fine. It would have been finished.
Yeah, it was.
So
It was
just
a,
get
it
close
was
to
a
the
sprinkle.
Are you ready to get cooking, Miss Campbell?
So ready. I'm
Me
so excited.
too. Okay, year one. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get a nub of butter. Right, Miss Campbell, what happens if you don't have butter at home?
If you don't have butter at home, you can use oil, but you need to make sure you use one of those things, otherwise your pancake's going to stick to your pan and you won't be able to flip it over.
Okay, so what we're going to do is your pancake batter that you and Miss Ball made,
Did you?
I did.
Oh, well, I can try my best, Miss Barclay. I
No.
wouldn't say I was top pancake flipper, but we can
Miss
all try.
Campbell, as long as you have a try, that's all that counts.
Exactly.
Alright, over to you.
Okay, so we just need to wait for it for a few more minutes, or a few more seconds, not minutes, until we can feel it really go. I can see all those bubbles.
Miss Campbell, how do you know when it's ready to be flipped?
You can feel it. It sort of jiggles itself away from the pan, so it's not sticking. You can, and at the moment I can see it's sticking a little bit in the middle, and I can see these edges look a bit looser around the pan. So this is what I use this spatula spoon for, just to feel it. Oh, I think it's almost ready to go.
Ooh, I'm getting so excited.
Almost ready to go. And if you haven't grown up in the house who is expert at flipping pancakes by holding the pan, you can ask them to help you to flip it with the pan. Or you can just use a nice big spoon or spatula to get underneath the pancake. You'll feel it's nice and loose, so you know that it's ready, and you can just flip it over like that, and you can see it's nice and
Wow.
golden brown on the top, so the heat will be making the underneath golden brown as well. So when both sides are nice and golden brown, it's ready to eat.